Hello and welcome. So today we're gathering supplies for the Merchant and Mills Nevis skirt. So we've got a button waistband version or a tie waistband version. And I am making mine in this lovely gingham, cotton and linen gingham, in this kind of, well, they called it sunset. Looking at the effect on the camera, it looks like almost like a tan colour, but it's this kind of pinky red and then a mustardy yellow in the checks, and it's really lovely. Okay, so fabric suggestions: mid-weight cotton canvas. And these are all Merchant and Mills fabrics. So, mid-weight cotton canvas, 8-ounce organic sanded twill, corduroy, light medium weight woolen, 7 to 10-ounce denim. We suggest using softer fabrics for the tie version to give a relaxed silhouette, such as linen, tencel linen and wool blends. So this is the tie version, and this is the one that I'm making. I think it's more relaxed, more in keeping with my style. I think it will kind of look a bit aprony with that style. And I think this one looks a little bit more utilitarian, so it works nicely in those kind of twill fabrics and stuff that gives you a bit more structure to it. So I will upload the fabric requirement charts and the measurement charts and everything to the little paper clip in this video. The other things that you will need are matching thread, 4 2cm buttons, plus 1.5cm buttons for the pocket flap if you're making the button waistband version, and 1 2cm button for the tie waistband version. I'm hoping that button is hidden on the inside so you don't actually see it. And you then need half a yard of lining, 0.4 meters, and interfacing requirements. So kind of depending on what size you're making and how wide your fabric is, takes up to 3 meters here, and yeah, it's not too bad. The lovely thing about this is the hem is it's a hem facing, so it gives a really nice kind of heavy finished hem on there. It just looks great, and yeah, it's a nice project to work on, a nice sort of sew along. I'll do a little bit on this about matching patterns. Let me just show you the fabric I've got for my lining. So the lining is just for the pockets, and I have a little box of stuff that just is lining fabrics, and it's often offcuts of stuff that people have left, or I was like, I've got this little piece of this. You can see that's how big it is. It's not a full piece, but it's the right weight to make lovely slippery pockets. And yeah, I'm going to make it from that. It's not a perfect colour match on this, but it'll kind of tone in, but you won't see it because the pockets have facings which will cover that and mean that the bit that your hand might see won't reveal any of this fabric. They describe this skirt, and I think it's funny, for climbing mountains or pounding pavements. This walking skirt has 2 versions: a high waistband pocket detailing, ideal for utility clothes, or a simple tie detail for utility cloth, or a simple tie for soft linens. Skill level: the tie waist, they suggest it's for an advanced beginner, and the button waistband as intermediate. I don't think there's a great deal in it. I think it's just the buttonholes and a little bit more fiddly detail on this little pocket bit here. But like I said, I'm going to do the tie waistband version, and hopefully you will see all the bits you need to see as I'm sewing this. So yeah, look out for the discount codes in the Love and Stitches Club Facebook group, and gather your supplies ready to start at the beginning of the month.